So there are 12 classes that are going to be spread for the next 12 weeks where we teach these agents ABCs of real estate sales. Now, all of these classes are held virtually via Zoom. All of them are being recorded. This is very important. We record most, if not all, of our sessions. Even our in-person sessions that we conduct, events, we have a camera and we record it. We record it because then what we do is we upload the entire thing in our online training platform. What we also do is we then cut the pieces of it, right, and make it more, how should I say this? I guess not everybody's going to watch an hour and a half class time sometimes, and we just make it more presentable, if you will, for the agents to view. But one thing that you guys want to do is like record all of your trainings. Even if it's with one agent, have that agent join you via Zoom or via Google Meeting and just record that session. And with our SaaS that we use and we offer to our clients, software as a service product, we actually have a built-in online training management or a platform. So we use that.